Didn't know it was going to be quite so adventurous. It's his boat. Good morning. I hope you're sitting comfortably because we are cruising Nha Trang. We're going to go check out some waterfalls, some salt harvesting. So sit back, relax. Let's go for a cruise. You're a beauty, aren't you? G'day, mate. Park in here?
Yeah, park in here.
Just waterfall entry, thanks.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Looks like there's a resort you can stay at. I like that. Is he having a beer? I think he's having a beer. What a great spot. Kids can go for a swim, can cook up some meat on the barbie. Oh. That's better. Bit of a traffic jam at the moment. Might just sit here in the shade for a bit and let them get a head start.
Còn ai muốn đi hồ 2 lần nữa.
Bit of abseiling. Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Xin chào Big Boss.
Xin chào, boss. Are you a tour guide or
Yeah. Me, I'm tour guide, local guide.
local guide?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
I'm traveling solo.
Yeah.
Can you go further? There's one more.
Yeah. One more is also the last one.
Last one. 3 lakes.
Yeah.
Cool.
Three legs. It mean Ba Ho.
Yeah.
3 it mean Ba.
Ba.
Lake it mean Ho.
Ho.
Yeah. Ba Ho.
Ba Ho.
Yeah. 3 legs.
All right, I'm going up to Lake 1.
Hey! Vietnam, welcome to you! It remind us of beautiful memories in Vietnam. I think it is great.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm making lots of good memories here.
Yeah.
Whoa. Didn't know it was going to be quite so adventurous. I think I'll have a swim here. Hello. Ciao. Not exactly sure where I am, but it's a beautiful beach. All these fishing boats. Hello. You're painting your boat. Painting your boat. I love the bright colors on these boats. It's his boat. Xin chào. Wow, that's a big net. You must be able to catch a lot of fish. Have one? Oh, thank you. Come on. Thank you. It's good. Ciao. One. Okay. Come on. Okay. Can I give to the dog?
Thank you.
Nong. Ciao. Can I get one of those? I'll show you. Hon Khoi. Okay, come on. Xin chào. Oh, for me. For me. Come on. Ngon. Ngon. More. Thank you. They taste like coffee. Good. It's okay. You keep the rest for you. Me. Oh. Okay. Thank you. I have to try it. It's good. Nice. Thank you. This is my friend the doggo.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
See you again. See you again.
So I'm at the salt flats. So they make sea salt here. The sun evaporates all the moisture off the seawater and the salt settles to the bottom. And then they scrape it all up. You can see the salt separating out there. Whoa! Very salty. So they're forming cubes. That's the shape of the salt crystal. Hello, I can film? Okay. Wow, very good. How heavy? Oh, this guy's cheating. He's got a wheelbarrow. You get a lot in there. So if they've got a wheelbarrow and they're doing it by basket, why aren't they all doing it by wheelbarrow? I'm going to sign out here. Thanks for coming along for the ride, guys. Hope you enjoyed the cruise, the adventure, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, peace.